Sige po. I confirm your statement earlier na nangugo po na talagang na-confirm na ganan po tulong pasaheros pada sa pilot kang Cessna plane, and then ang sutuya tabi na status mo niyan bako na search and rescue. Retrieval operations na po kita ngunyan, and kuya ko tabi magpasalamat sa mga talagang tapulo ng mga volunteers ta. Aro po kay Kapitan Segovia kan Barangay Anuling. Naman po sa Barangay Anuling maagis mga retriever staff, and mula ko tapang ipaabot sa Kubos na Albayano na bako tabi ining simpleng trabaho from sa campsite tabi nila duman sa Anuling. It will take 5 to 6 hours one day para ma-retrieve tabi sa mga bodies. As of last night po, na-confirm na talaga ining pangyayari na talagang ganda na po, sad to say, apat na tao on board that plane. And ini mga tawag hindi, grabe po ang pasalamat ko kay George Cordovilla, ang stayang mountaineer, sa EDC po for providing the resources, sa mga air assets na po, itong Navy helicopter na nakuha kang provincial government of Albay. And of course, mula ko tabing tawan talaga din pasalamat ang sabi yung APSE mo. Ang province of Albay po ang nag-undertake ng mapping. Nakula akong tabing dagi ang mapping para po sa guidance and coordination ng mga rescuers, arot po kay Roderick Mendoza na piriming on board ng mga Black Hawk helicopters to take pictures sa iyang high-powered camera. Aram mo po, dumanta po sa pagtuon kaya yung problemang ini, si Colonel Abad, piriming yaon dyan, nagkabang man, dumantabi sa Technical Operations Group 5, Region 5, dyan sa airport, sa Old Legazpi Airport. Pipingaon matabi siya si Dr. Cedric Daep na talagang on board sa Australian Embassy na piriming matabi na ipag sa tuya, communicate, pero yan mostly na sindang niya sa Energy Development Corporation or sa EDC. I confirm what you've said earlier, talagang hindi na po ang status na retrieval na nakita mo niyan.
Good. Kung igwa katabi nin mensahe sa Australian government, Australian people, managot sa siring na bagay, go ahead po.
Okay. I want to condole with your citizens that have perished in this very unfortunate air accident, and I want to assure you that the province of Albay will do everything to help in the post-investigation report that will be undertaken by CAAP. And in this post-investigation report, the proper debriefing will be done, and you can always send your representatives from the embassy, from your embassy, to be a part of it. To be part of the debriefing before the actual post-crash investigation is undertaken by CAAP.
Okay, so we have done our best efforts man tabi group, including Sara Mayor Kaloy Kamalig.
Yes.
Tabi, oo.
Yes, actually I'm just passing by Kamalig en route to my other events. I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to Mayor Kaloy Baldo. Ang dami po mga news dito, UNTV. Hindi ako nang mismo nag-agi mo niyan sa Kamalig Municipal hall along the highway, and natami pong tao dito ngunyan, Radio.
Opo.
And I know that nagtabang mo po ang probinsya, we always make sure na may mga food, tabang kita sa food, and of course sa mapping. Yung mapping po, nakulao na bagay kan operations.
Gob, can we categorically say na we have done our best within our means, tabi, Gob?
Yes, we have done our best, and I would just like to underscore the fact that this would not have happened without the provincial government of Albay taking full responsibility for this effort, because it came to a head, Manipio, na habo po kan mga agencies na involved na mag-initial kay ining search and rescue. They wanted me to take full responsibility first for anything that will happen in the search and rescue operations, and up to now, up until the retrieval part of the operations is concluded, I will take full responsibility, and we did that naman. So kay Puan maraman matabi ka mga albayado na ikaw matabi talagang tukulaw na ang bagman ng sinding probinsya sa effort na ini.
Gob, so para sa mga rescuers po, prayers nga to ta di mapagal ang mas lalo pagbaba tabi. Go ahead po.
Yes. Doubly hard because they will, so dead weight ng mga bodies, karamdaman is heavier than the actual weight kung ang tao buhay. So, ang kung consolation man it will take 5 to 6 hours going up. Palagay ko po, going down, baka mas matagal. Hindi ko po masabi kung gaano mas matagal. Pero ang gusto ko lang pong sabihin na ang lang natin dito, consolation, yung state of decomposition po ng bodies, mga 1 day pa sana. Because of the relatively cold environment ng crash site. Maski we're on the 5th day, ang sabi po ni Dr. Cedric Daep na hindi pa po decompose yung bodies. Parang 1 day pa lang. 1 to 2 days pa lang ang sabi niya, exactly. 1 to 2 days pa lang ang state of decomposition. So, madali po itong ma-identify.
Sige tabi, Gob, once again, so sa inyong statement para sa Australian people, go ahead po.
Okay. On behalf of the Australian people, I would like to extend my deepest condolences to the families of those who perished in this air accident. I would like to assure the ambassador of Australia to the Philippines that the provincial government of Albay, to its governor, yours truly, is always upset about what's happening, and we're doing our very best, to assist in the post-crash investigation with respect to the data and other technical issues.
And suduman man siyempre sa kababayan niya to na Pilipino, the pilot and the airline mechanic, sa relatives niya, go ahead tabi, Gob.
Alam tabi nito, if I can mention his name, si Manager Chino Arcangel of BDO Tabaco has been very worried about this because may familial relationship sila sa pilot. At any rate, kuya ako tabing magkondol sa family kang piloto, buta kang sa tuyang kapwa Pilipino na kiniban man tabi naman sa flight. Pasensya na, di ko pa ma-identify sa mga ngaran, di ba akong clearance to actually say their names, pero rest assured na di ba paabot ka sa mayang condolences sa mas tangible na paagi bukod sa nasa araw kaya verbal na pag-extending condolences.